Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set mute as the audio default on Kajabi videos. This is particularly useful if you want to give your visitors control over when they hear audio, preventing autoplay sound that might catch them off guard when they land on your page. Let's walk through this together. First, you'll need to open your Kajabi site by heading to your Kajabi login page and signing in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, open your website editor for the site where your video content lives. If you're using a custom domain, simply navigate there after signing in to access your site's backend. Now look over to the left-hand menu and click on Website. This will expand a menu with several options. From here, click on Design to access your site's design settings. This is where you'll be able to customize the visual and functional elements of your pages, including how your videos behave. Once you're on the design page, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created on your site. Take a moment to locate the Customize button on the top right corner of your screen and click on it. This button is your gateway to making specific adjustments to individual pages and their elements. After clicking Customize, look at the top of your screen where you'll find a drop-down page selector. This drop-down allows you to navigate between different pages on your site. Click on it and select the page that contains the video you want to mute as default. This ensures you're working on the correct page without having to search through multiple sections. Once you've selected the page, you'll be directed to that specific page's editing view. Now scroll through and locate the video or media element you want to adjust. Look for the volume icon on the video player, click on it, and it will toggle between maximum volume and muted. Toggle it to the muted position to set this as the default state for visitors. Finally, once you've adjusted the volume setting to muted, click on Save to ensure your changes are applied. This saves your configuration so that every time someone visits this page, the video will start muted by default, giving them the choice to unmute if they wish. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.